How to add a comment on Google Docs. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply guide you on how you can actually add a comment to a Google document. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to simply open our Google browser on our device. Once I open our browser, in the search box we want to simply go to docs.google.com. So make sure that you enter the URL correctly, and we are going to simply go to documents.google.com. I'll also be sure to leave them down in the description box, and over here you simply want to select any of the documents on which you actually want to add a comment, and let's say that this is a particular document on which I actually want to add a comment. So how do you actually add a comment? Now what you want to do is, first of all, let me select a simple paragraph right over here. Now let's say that this is a paragraph that which we want to add a comment to. As soon as you select and highlight these paragraphs right over here, on the right hand side you'll be able to see these three options, and right at the top you'll find a plus button which says add comment. Now if you want to look over here, you can also add an emoji reaction, and you can also suggest edits if you want to, but we will leave these for another video. We're going to simply learn how we can actually add a comment. So we are going to simply tap on add a comment button. As we tap on add comment, here you can simply go ahead and enter the comment of which what you would like to add. For example, let's say I'll just simply type in improvement needed. After you simply type in your comment, you can go ahead and also mention someone if someone has access on this right over here. You can see, and you can also tap on assign to this person right over here, and you can go ahead and tap on assign. But if not, you can go ahead and simply cancel the tag, and once you've entered your comment, you can simply tap on the comments button right over here. You can see that the comment has been successfully added. Now if I tap on this paragraph, it will show me right over here this comment. Now people who actually have access to this document will also be able to see this comment right over here. So this was the way on how you could very easily actually add a comment to a Google document. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.